Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm so excited because I'm going to share to you the new collection from Louis Vuitton pre-fall 2023. So guys, take a screenshot so you would know what to add on your wish list. So I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @PremierFi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. So let us start first with the Alma bag. It looks like an Alma GM and this is in the red epi leather. So this opened the runway. So guys, what do you feel of this bag and this size? And it's coming back in style. So let us check out other Alma bags from the collection. So we have the Alma GM in this time in the yellow epi leather. I think this is very timely with the quiet luxury. So actually I'm wanting an epi leather Alma PM or GM because I could bring it with me anywhere. We have an Alma PM in quilted leather, so still under the pre-fall 2023. Also guys, how do you feel about the ready to wear from this collection? So as you can see here, so the entirety of bag is in this very beautiful quilted leather. It also comes with the clochette with gold hardware. We also have Alma PM in quilted leather, but this time the color is in the navy leather, as you could see here. So from afar you could see that it may look black but it's in navy, and you could see that the quilting, it looks like there are shadows like leather, black leather detail. Next, we have Alma PM in this very beautiful beige epi leather. So again, very timely with the quiet luxury trend that is going right now. So this is very similar to the vintage epi leather bags of LV. What do you think of this one? They are bringing back the Speedy 30 in epi leather. So this is very reminiscent and it looks exactly the same, just like the vintage Speedies. So this one, it looks a Speedy 30 because it looks a little bit bigger. What do you think of this one? I'm also liking the quiet luxury detail. So this is now a brand new design. So this is like a quote-unquote t-shirt bag. First one, it comes in this very beautiful supple and it looks soft black leather. So I feel that of course you could carry it this way and you could carry it as a regular t-shirt bag. It also comes in this very beautiful beige leather. So what do you think of this new style that Louis Vuitton is introducing to us? Again, very on trend with the quiet luxury pieces that we need. This is what I love most among this quote-unquote t-shirt bag because of course it comes in the very beautiful monogram canvas, and as we could see here guys, it also comes with the vachetta bag tag. Then let's move on to the side trunk. So this one comes in the black leather, and if we are going to notice also, the hardware is also black and the leather looks really soft. So we have a new bag for the pre-fall 2023. So we have the quote-unquote nameplate bag. This actually walked the runway for the fall 2023, but they are making a special edition. As you can see here, it says Louis Vuitton Soul. Then we have the twist PM in this very beautiful quilted brown leather. So what do you think guys? Also, they are bringing back this style from the earlier designs by Nicola Ghesquiere. So what do you think of the overall leather quilting of LV? And also guys, kindly take note of the strap that it comes with. So it also comes in this very beautiful black and white quilted leather detail. So it also comes with a top handle. So you know me guys, I love a bag with a good top handle. Then we have a side trunk and it's very beautiful red leather, so it doesn't come with any logos or monogram, so you could carry this anywhere because again, only people who know would know what this bag is. Then we have the twist PM and this very beautiful gray quilted leather. Alright, so they are going to bring back the very famous Palm Springs for the pre-fall 2023. Comes in the monogram canvas with black leather detail. So of course, let us see. So as you can see guys, it doesn't have any lip on the opening of the zipper. And then still we have this very beautiful twist PM in quilted leather in beige color. I love the color of this one. A good neutral bag that also comes with a very beautiful top handle and the hardware is in color gold. Then we have side trunk in the classic monogram canvas. Then we have the loop bag in denim with gold hardware. I love the color of this one. It's very neutral, like a beigey neutral kind of color. We have another side trunk in this very beautiful textured leather, silver hardware, and can you just see that this side trunk looks a little bit smaller compared to the original one. So if you're going to zoom in, it feels like the leather has texture. What do you think? And then we have this very beautiful and luxurious ballet resort, and it also comes in a black quilted leather with gold hardware and gold trims as well. New bag for this season, we have the quote-unquote giant leather tab bag in the untreated or vachetta leather. What do you think of this one? It looks cute, it looks quirky in a way as well. Then we have the very beautiful and classic vertical box trunk bag in reverse monogram. So as you could see here, it comes with the reverse monogram and the classic monogram with black leather trims as well. This is definitely so cute guys. Another t-shirt bag but the size is mini, and if we are going to zoom in, it comes in the reverse monogram and it also comes with the black leather trims and black bag tag as well. And of course, they are going to bring back again this very cute papillon trunk in monogram canvas. They are bringing back again the No Way purse bucket, and the very first one, it comes in the reverse monogram. The No Way purse bucket, this style actually they have pulled out of their website, so I'm assuming for the pre-fall 2023 they are reissuing this one and they are upgrading the details as well. So I'm expecting the price of this one would be a lot higher compared to the original counterpart. So the second No Way purse bucket comes in this very beautiful black leather with gold hardware, and just look at this one, they are making it look like more of a trunk, so I'm guessing again price would be on the upper part. And then we have another leather tab bag in black leather. So what do you think of this one? So of course, for example, if I would be choosing from the Vachetta, definitely I would be choosing a black leather. We also have the Petite Malle in this very beautiful beigey caramel denim color.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So kindly comment down below, guys. Among the bags, the pre-fall collection 2023, which one is your favorite? Before we end, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!